In this episode of the Real Crimes of Kurri Kurri, we continue to follow the case of Harry. Harry, not his real name, allegedly had hatchets and did a police pursuit in the main street of Kurri in May 2025. In the last episode, I discussed the arrest and the charges. But what happened when Harry was taken to Cessnock Police Station? Police refused Harry bail. The law allows the police to do this, for example, if they consider there is an unacceptable risk to the community. However, the law requires Harry to be taken to court as soon as practical. Being a Saturday, neither Kurri Kurri Local Court or Cessnock Local Court, which is adjacent to Cessnock Police Station, are open on the weekend. It's not expected that Harry wait in the police cells until court opens on Monday. Instead, Parramatta Local Court operate over the weekend and deal with bail matters for all of New South Wales. So Harry would have likely stayed at Cessnock Police Station and videoed into the court in Parramatta later on Saturday. The police media release states that Parramatta Local Court granted Harry bail. And by the way, he's also physically here at Kurri, so he's on bail. Now, the weekend bail court at Parramatta is closed to the public, so there is no public gallery where we can hear the bail considerations. For example, what were the risks? And what were the bail conditions to mitigate those risks, and therefore allow Harry to be at liberty during legal proceedings? However, thanks to Kurri Kurri Local Court, we get some insights into bail. When Harry appeared at Kurri Kurri and entered pleas of not guilty, about 2 weeks after his appearance at Parramatta, he sought a bail condition to be varied. This results in discussion about Harry's criminal history and the current bail conditions. If you observe closely, this is where you'll get insights. In open court, Harry's previous charge of assault occasioning grievous bodily harm is mentioned. For us in the gallery, this tells us Harry has a criminal history and your history can impact on bail being granted. Also, the new offence includes a police pursuit. I've noticed it's common for police pursuits to be police bail refused. So it's likely the previous offending, together with the alleged new offending, are the grounds which the police likely refused bail on. Now, Parramatta Local Court granted bail, which is not uncommon. This is likely because bail conditions were proposed to mitigate the risk. At Kurri, we discover what one of the conditions are because Harry seeks to vary that condition. It's likely Harry has a type of supervision or house arrest condition where he must remain at a particular house, and if he goes out in public, he must be with a particular person. The person is named within the bail condition. Harry seeks his mum to be added as one of the people, which the magistrate refuses. In my opinion, the reason is very on point in relation to domestic violence. I think the magistrate's decision deserves a whole episode in itself, so I'm going to do another part.